Every Italian learner asks me, how do I start thinking in Italian without translating every word in my head? If you keep thinking in English first, you will always freeze in conversations. You'll miss jokes, you'll answer too late, and Italians will switch back to English. That's the real problem, and that's what we are going to fix today. I've helped hundreds of learners to train their brains so they can speak Italian faster and enjoy real conversations. So in this video I'm going to show you how to stop translating and start thinking in Italian so you can speak faster, sound clearer, and finally feel confident when Italians talk to you. Chances are you, like many of my students, expect Italian to stick overnight. You think,
I've studied the passato prossimo. I thought I understood it, but this seems I've forgotten now.
Research says otherwise. A 2025 study found that students given continuous rich exposure improved across all major skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing, but only after many weeks/months of practice, not after quick bursts. Thinking in a new language is not an on and off switch, it's a spectrum. Think of it like fitness. On day one, you can't sprint a marathon, but you can walk a little farther each time. In Italian, your first steps are small. Understanding a word instantly, remembering a phrase without translating. Over time, those steps connect into full thoughts. Your brain builds an interlanguage, a mix of English and Italian. It may sound messy, but it's a proof you are progressing. So don't panic if English slips in. It's not failure, it's part of the path. When you force yourself to think only in Italian, you create stress. And stress blocks learning. I talked about this in other videos. Kids don't force themselves to think in their second language. They just play, listen, copy, and that's why they grow fluent without effort. For you, it's the same. Relax, enjoy the process, and your brain will start switching by itself. But relaxation doesn't mean passivity. You need the right kind of practice. To actually activate Italian in your head, you need triggers. The more you surround yourself with Italian, even on your own, the more natural it feels to think in it. Try this at home. Talk to yourself in many phrases. Ho fame! Dove sono le chiavi? Practice in the mirror, acting out conversation, rehearsing what you would say. Surround yourself with Italian as much as you can. Shopping list, phone settings, background music. And when you repeat this daily, after a little while, you'll notice milestones. Your first dream in Italian, your first spontaneous thought, even code switching without realizing. That's the sign you are thinking in Italian. Now, I've said a lot, but if you need more practical strategies that work, then watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you.